Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy DVS on another episode of DVS Does Work. Today I got a door that I gotta take this bracket right here, this locking mechanism, and I gotta move it closer. Because, for whatever reason, whoever did this shit before, and I also had to drill out this hole right here. But whoever done this before, come in, Trey. Say what up to Trey. Papa. Hey, Papa. The good boys? Yeah, my good boys. Oh, the good boys. Oh, my good boys. All right. So this is the dilemma. See that? That barely. It's maybe an inch. Maybe an inch, man. You got so much more fucking room right here, bro. This is supposed to be... See that? It's fucking bullshit. So, this is what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be changing that to make it closer. Because anybody can come up in here and do whatever the fuck they want. So, it's gonna be fairly easy. Hopefully I don't got rust spots. Trusty vice grips. Gonna have to happen here. This is what we want to do. I'm gonna have to get you the other pair of vice grips, alright? See my bucket? See this bucket right here? This is the multi-purpose bucket. It's really the plumbing electricity bucket, but so I can get another sleeve and another bucket and make a separate bucket. This is what we got, man. That's one of these. 3 more to go. And I still got a drill too. So, you know. Loosen this up. Grab the bottom bolt. So our 3 foot. We are back at it. Bolt 2. Now let me know if you guys want to talk about it. Like I said, I got Trey here. Trey's out here killing this. Trey is part of the crew. I like to talk about a lot of political things. I'm a very political guy, but not really at the same time. I know that sounds oxymoron, but it is what it is. Got that thing right off. This is bolt number 3. Make a little room for ourselves. Hold that thing down, baby. I think we should do fun facts, maybe. Maybe who is the person that made the vice grip? Because goddamn. Sure as hell did us all a goddamn favor. We're good. Bolt number 4. Bolt number 5. So this is what we want to do. Take these and put these away now. So these in the package. What we're going to do is we're going to take this as close as possible. You see that? You see that? Just want to show you one more time. Come on, Pop. Come. Here. Come on. Gotta wait for church sometimes, man. There's rats and cats out here, man. I know some people, they be like, why you got that big collar on them? What's up with the collar? Well, in my building, I just got a new Shepherd mutt. It's like a brindle German Shepherd mix with something, but more German Shepherd with a brindle. Almost like a pit bull, sort of, maybe, I don't know, some kind of hound. But still got his nuts. He looks like he's ready for action, and you know, I'm not taking no chances. But back to the fucking thing at hand. Hold on, let's get back over here. Get back over here. Let's get back on fucking track. I want it to be like right there. And I'm sorry for the poor quality. I don't have a cameraman. Let's see. I want it to be there. That's where I want it to be. Right? So I think we should mark this out. Right? I'm gonna get a marker to mark this out. It's back and forth, I know. Anywhere else, man, you on a union job, man, you're fucking fired. There's no reason for you going back and forth. But this is a good old New York City super job, which is, you know, we're getting shit done. We're making shit happen. Ain't nobody else willing to do this shit. You know what I mean? You gotta be the jack of all trades and master of none, you know? So, let's see if we can prop this thing up right here. Let's see if you guys can see what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm gonna take this here, put this against the door, mark it out. Mark it, baby. Right? I'm also gonna have to drill this hole a lot deeper. It's gonna have to go a lot deeper. Do a little bit of that too. But for now, we got those marked out. I'm gonna swap out from this concrete bit, but you know what? I think before I do that, I think we should maybe get this thing situated. So I need to get this gauge. This right here is the pop this thing open. Just about so. Oh no, don't do that. I must have a spill, man. No spills. Pop that thing out. It's our gauge. Put this to the side. It can't go back on, man. It's interchangeable. Now, this has a lot more to go. I need to get up at least here. If you can see, it's only about here, and I need a lot more. I need about from here to about here. This is all I got from here to here. So there's a lot of drilling that needs to be done. Dangerously low.